Whoops. Do I have camera back? Okay. Alright, we're back. This is still the right thing. So, yeah, that's super weird. What we had was, yeah, computer just lost power. Had possibly an issue like this morning, where I'm pretty sure I got in at 9 and had a meeting from 9 till 10. Computer was on when I got here and not when I got back, and one of the odd symptoms is once it powers down in this odd way, I can't turn it back on with the power button. I need to switch off the PSU, leave it for like a few seconds to let everything discharge, and then turn it back on, and then I can power it back on. So that's like one symptom of this. So there's that. That was happening, and yeah, basically after that, when I tried to turn it back on immediately, it would go through one power cycle where it would sort of come up, come down, which is what happens when it loses power unexpectedly, and then it would try booting up. The debug light on the motherboard that shows the boot process often got to the all good stage, and then it would power down again, like I was having trouble even getting to a post. When I actually got it booted up, there was a few things that happened at once. I unplugged all but one of the monitors, and additionally left it for about 5 minutes or so before I went and talked to some people and came back. With them, turned it on, seemed fine. Tried to get some temperature monitoring stuff. The one that I found that works was this one. Was it? Oh no, not Open Hardware Monitor. That was the one that didn't work. It was just Hardware Monitor. So yeah, this guy, we can see here, it takes a little bit to get up to speed. But yeah, you can see current CPU temperatures are, yeah, sort of quite reasonable. I thought I had more temperatures before, or maybe I was looking at these ones before. Anyway, yeah, everything looks like, this is motherboard temperatures, they look fine, CPU temperatures look fine, everything looks pretty fine. Might have something to do with the GPU. I'm not, like, it's hard to tell, I haven't been able to narrow it down really. But yeah, anyway, so if I drop out again, that's probably what's going on. Anyway, so this is quite frustrating. I'm taking the front panel off at the moment so that if it is a cooling issue, it'll have the best chance of being okay, just to get as much airflow as possible. But yeah, after having that happen, it seemed to, like, I touched various components and they weren't hot. Like the, CPU heatsink wasn't particularly hot or anything like that. So I'm sort of at a bit of a loss, but I guess all we can do is get back to it and hope that it doesn't happen again. So yeah, a bit worrying, to say the least. Anyway, so that's that. I'll leave chat up here, but I'll put this one down here so we can sort of keep an eye on temperatures and maybe see what's going on. Utilization wise, power. The core clock I don't really care about too much. Power's what it is. We'll just keep these two. The GPU fan is not spinning. Let me just actually see if I can see. Yeah, so the GPU fans definitely aren't spinning at the moment, but I mean, you can see the temperatures there. It's only 50 degrees, so that's within, I think, the default fan profiles. Anyway, so I guess fingers crossed, eh? It's frustrating though, of course. I guess I think we might have done a stack update just before that was happening, or as that was happening. I guess let's go back and see if we can find that and where that's gone. And just hope for the best.